guys, so today I have an ornament to make with you guys, and it's going to light up at the end, so we can use this even as a nightlight for Christmas Eve into Christmas morning. Come check it out. Here we go, guys. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Let's start today's ornament. So here I have one of the bigger ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to remove the top part, and I'm going to take the painter's tape. Oh, here, it's from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take the painter's tape and I'm going to try and wrap it around as evenly as possible. This did take me a couple tries. I'm going to go ahead and push down all the top part, and that's going to create those wrinkles, but I basically just want that part out of the way. Then I'm going to do it again. Now we have the midsection where we can go ahead and start our craft. In this midsection that we've created, I'm going to take the Folk Art Pure Black acrylic paint. This was like $1.50 at Michael's, Joann's, places like that. I'm going to squirt it onto the midsection, just right onto the bulb so to not create another dirty item. And when I paint, I'm going to paint so that I paint off of the painter's tape. So I'm going to paint so I'm on the painter's tape coming off, and that will try and create it from dipping under that painter's tape and making extra marks. Once the whole section is covered, I'm just going to take my paintbrush and make long stripes to kind of smooth everything out. Don't do that though. Okay, now you want to set it down and let it dry for just a little while, but not too long because you don't want the paint to fully dry. If the paint dries, then it's going to peel up when you pull off the tape. Now that it's had a minute to dry, I'm going to go ahead and remove the painter's tape, both the top and the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and set it aside, and I'm going to let it finish drying, and then we're going to finish it up. Alright, we've dried now, so now I'm going to take a glitter glue pen of some sort. This one's from Hobby Lobby, but you can get them from Dollar Tree, you can get them all over at any craft store. And let me get it shook down. And what I'm going to do is just kind of eyeball like a rectangle. So I'm not making this part perfect. You totally could measure it out if you wanted it to be perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and thicken it up a little bit. And that part will take a little while to dry. So let's set it aside one more time. Now for the simple finishing touches. I'm going to go ahead and set it on this roll of tape just to make it a little easier. But I have this string of fairy lights from the Dollar Tree. I got red. Oops, that's not my red ones. I got obviously a few of them, but this one is the red one. So now what I'm going to do is put them all inside. Hanging up, all ready to go. You can tell I just tucked the battery pack into the tree branches and it sits fine and you can't even see it, but there it is. Let me know if you guys gave this one a try. It's super simple, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye bye.